Good morning and welcome to a new video and welcome to this really freezing December morning that I decided to venture out into. As you can see behind me, it's very dense with clouds this morning. Last time I was out it was blaring sunshine, which was actually quite nice, but today I'm not sure if we can expect any light at all, but we will see as the morning progresses, I suppose. So I am just out for some photography down at the harbour in RAA to try and get some images of the little sailing boats and things like that, and it's a very cute location, so come along. Because it's winter time, most of the boats have been taken out of the water, but they're kind of lying over there in their protective winter coating. But I'm still confident to be able to get some shots here in this location because it's absolutely adorable, and because it's morning time there's not really anybody around apart from a couple of people on their bicycles going to work and such. And we do have some cute little fishing huts over that way by the bridge there. So I'm going to go and check that out, and I suppose probably it'll just be a case of setting up and then hanging on, waiting for some light. It doesn't look like there's much going on at the moment as far as that goes. But I did see some glimmers earlier of the sun coming through, so you never know. Finding that I'm having to be so careful because this pier here is wood and it's really slippery today and kind of icy, so I nearly fell over on a couple of occasions, and even with the tripod I have to be so careful because the legs are kind of sliding away from each other. Not good. So when I'm taking an exposure I can't actually walk up and down or anything, I need to stay absolutely still, otherwise I'm going to ruin the shot, I think. So I'm just taking a couple of exposures here from this little spot here of the huts and the fishing boats in front of it. It's really cute, and I'm quite pleased actually, even though it's so gloomy today and not a lot of light. I'm just it's still turning out quite nice. I'm trying a couple of different approaches. I did one with f-stop 16 to try and get a longer exposure and try and get a nice smooth water, and because of the kind of unstable pier here, I also did a f8 just to try and make it a little bit faster and try and I think I prefer the faster exposure because it's kind of making the water look like ice. So it's actually quite cool, but I think I'll probably show you the two of them now, and maybe in the comments you can let me know which one's your favourite. was wanting to get a shot of this of these fishing boats over here with the old houses in the background because it's so cute, but I don't think I'm going to get it from this position because there's just so many boats and masts in the way and they're totally obscuring the view, so I think I'm going to have to actually just go over to the other side and try and get it from there. And then I'm also going to go back to where I was a little bit earlier. There's a cute bridge there, so I think I can get a better view of my previous composition from there as well. So I'm going to have to walk around. So coming away from that other side to try and get this shot here, turns out it's still kind of difficult because there's still boats in the way, especially this yellow boat here that's totally blocking my view, and I'm thinking I could go out here on this little pier, but it doesn't look that safe, and yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it. Is it worth it? Yeah, so I definitely would be able to get a I definitely would be able to get a better shot from this little pier here, but it's so unstable. Just me standing still on it and it was still vibrating, so the chances of getting a sharp photograph from out there is probably very slim, so I think I'll just leave it. So I'm absolutely struggling with this composition here because of these poles sticking out of the water, and right now they're just absolutely killing my my composition, unfortunately. So I just got a shot of this cute fishing boat that I'm really happy with, actually. Now obviously because it's in the water I couldn't do a long exposure. I was still able to use the filters, and by just bringing down that f-stop and opening that aperture right up to let in as much light as possible, I was able to keep it fast enough to get it sharp, and in combination with using manual focus, which is something that I never used to do. I never used to use manual focus. I think it just sort of scares me, and because my eyesight is not that fantastic, and I think I just couldn't trust myself. I couldn't seem to get sharp photos no matter what I did, but this new camera has got some nice features to really aid in using manual focus, so that's worked out really well for me. So I've taken a couple of shots of the little huts again, and yeah, it looks quite nice. So I think this was definitely my last shot of the day. Time to mosey on home now, I think, to have something warm in my belly because I'm absolutely freezing. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and follow along on our photo adventures. And I'll see you on the next time.